Welcome back to this tutorial video once again of chapter 2. Today we will discuss about the difference between normal mode and safe mode and some power saving modes of Windows. We have already done how to shut down the steps to shut down a computer in our last videos. In last class we have discussed it. What we have seen in that class, that you have to click on start button, then click shut down, then wait for some time, your computer will be completely shut down, then switch off the UPS, then switch off the power supply. This is the normal mode of shutting down a computer. Now few more options are there to shut down a computer. Actually these two modes are sleep mode and another is hibernate mode. What is sleep mode? Sleep mode is used when your computer's battery is low. Suppose you are working in a laptop but your laptop battery is running low. So in that time you can put it sleep mode when you are not working for few minutes, for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. If you are not going to use, you put it in sleep mode. What happens? Your laptop or desktop, wherever you are using sleep mode, that your computer will use very small amount of power. In sleep mode, all the data will be saved in the storage devices and computer will be shut down. When you switch on again, you will get the same screen once again in front of you where you have left your computer. Next is hibernate mode. Hibernate mode saves all the open documents and stores in the hard disk before shutting down. So hibernate mode saves all the open documents and running applications on the hard disk and then shut down the computer. It uses very less power, even less than sleep mode. Hibernate mode uses very less power, even less than sleep mode. When you switch on again your computer from hibernate mode, you will get exactly same window where you have left. So these are the differences between sleep mode and hibernate mode and normal shutting down mode. Now the next is difference between safe mode and normal mode. So children, when you switch on our computer switched on in normal mode. By default, this is the working mode which is called normal mode. But safe mode is used for troubleshooting the issues of your computer. If your computer is creating some problem, some trouble, then you can work it in safe mode and you can fix your problem. In safe mode, you can see the safe mode is written in the corners of your screen. Safe mode will be displayed. Then you will come to know that your computer is running in safe mode. But in normal mode, you cannot see anywhere that normal mode is written. You have to understand this is the normal mode. If nothing is written, means it is normal mode. Generally, when we switch on, our computer starts in normal mode. Now let's see the table where differences are given on page number 26. In this table, you can go through, these are the differences between normal mode and safe mode. So let's go through with the table. The first, we have the first point in normal mode, that is, normal mode is the default operation mode of Windows. And the safe mode is a diagnostic mode for troubleshooting issues in a computer. Now the second point, in normal mode, all the files and drivers for the hardware in a computer are loaded. Means in normal mode, all the files and drivers, whatever the hardware you are using in your computer, so all the drivers for those hardwares are loaded. But in safe mode, very less files are loaded and very less drivers for the hardware are loaded. For example, only input and output devices drivers are loaded. All the keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, if you are using, those drivers are only loaded in safe mode. Those are compulsory for use. So this is, again I am repeating, in normal mode all the files and drivers for the hardware in a computer are loaded during the startup for proper functioning in a computer. In safe mode, Windows loads with a limited set of files and drivers that are essential for primary functions of a computer. Now the next difference, in normal mode, Windows appears in high resolution and with all the colors. In normal mode, Windows appears with high resolution and in all the colors, But in safe mode, Windows appears with limited colors and in very lower resolution. Now the last difference. In normal mode, no level is displayed on the monitor. As I said just now, if we are working in normal mode, nowhere you can see that normal mode is written. You have to understand this is the normal mode. But when Windows is operated in safe mode, the level safe mode is displayed on all the corners of the desktop. Then you will come to know that this is the safe mode of computer, where safe mode will be indicated, written on the corners of your screen. So that's all in this chapter. Now let's go through quickly in the recap area. What is written in the recap? What is Windows? Windows is an operating system developed by Microsoft company, world's leading software making company. Now the second point in recap, the labeled pictures on the desktop are known as icons. So what are icons? All the pictures with labeled on the desktop are called icons. Each icon represents files, folders or programs. Now, double click. What is the use of double clicking? Double clicking on the left mouse button on the icon opens the selected item or program. Notification area present on the right side of the taskbar, where you can see date and time, batteries, volume icon, etc. Taskbar, you know, it is a long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the desktop, where left side you can see the start button, right side notification area, and the middle part is known as quick launch bar. Now what is the screensaver? Screensaver is an image which pops up on the screen whenever computer is left idle for a certain period of time. Means screensaver is an image which it comes on your screen when you don't use your computer for a certain period of time. Of course, you can set the time for the screensaver, after how much time your screensaver will come. So you can set that time. How to use, how to set the screensaver? Right click on the desktop, click personalize. Personalized windows will come. From there you have to click screensaver, select your screensaver, set the time and click OK. Now next is what is the use of start button? The start button gives quick access to the documents, Windows applications, health, etc. Now the normal mode. About normal mode, we have just gone through. Normal mode is the default operational mode for the Windows, and the safe mode is the diagnostic mode for troubleshooting issues for the computer. So what is the use of normal mode and safe mode? Just now we have discussed. Now in the assignment you will get questions related to this chapter. I hope you can complete. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.